Imagine pulling out a smartphone and then unfolding it not once, but twice. Suddenly, your phone transforms into a massive 10-inch display that feels more like a futuristic tablet than a normal smartphone. That's exactly what Samsung has done with the brand new Galaxy Z TriFold. And honestly, this might be the craziest phone we've ever seen. But here's the big question. Is this actually the future of smartphones? Or is it just another expensive tech experiment that nobody really needs? Today we're diving deep into Samsung's newest innovation, the Galaxy Z TriFold. We'll talk about the design, performance, cameras, battery life, AI features, gaming experience, and whether this nearly $3,000 smartphone is actually worth buying. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. The design of the Galaxy Z TriFold is simply breathtaking. Samsung took folding to a whole new level. When closed, it's a sleek 6-inch phone. Open it, and you get a massive 10-inch TriFold AMOLED screen. The matte finish and curved edges make it feel premium, and it folds so smoothly thanks to the advanced hinge design. The TriFold AMOLED display is pure magic. You get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Watching videos or multitasking across apps is seamless. The TriFold design means you can watch content on a bigger screen without carrying a bigger phone. Under the hood, Samsung packed a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, 12GB of RAM, and 1TB of storage. This phone handles everything: gaming, productivity, and AI tasks with zero lag. The AI features are next level. The camera uses AI to enhance shots, and the battery management learns your habits. Let's talk camera. Samsung loaded the TriFold with a 200-megapixel main sensor. Photos are crisp, even in low light. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are perfect for creative shots. If you love photography, this phone is going to blow you away. Battery life is impressive too. You get 4,500 mAh, and with adaptive AI power management, it easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Plus, it supports 65-watt fast charging, so you'll be back up to 100% in under an hour. But now we need to talk about the biggest issue: the price. This phone costs nearly $2,899. That is insanely expensive. For most people, this phone is definitely not necessary. You could literally buy a flagship phone and a tablet separately for less money. And because it's still foldable technology, durability over several years is still a question mark. So this is clearly a luxury device aimed at tech enthusiasts and early adopters. So what's the verdict? The pros: stunning display, top-tier performance, and innovative TriFold design. The cons: it's pricey and the hinge design still feels a bit fragile for everyday rough use. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you buy a TriFold smartphone? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.